notice what it says in the verse? He said, you are putting off. It's just like taking off your clothes, but taking off bad habits, bad attitude, bad way of thinking. He said, you have put off the old self, the old way, the one that God doesn't like, the one that's contaminated by sin. Okay? We are putting them off. He said, old habits, we are putting them off. And then you put on the new that is continually being renewed. You know that? It is continually being renewed. What it means is that we keep changing every day as we surrender to God and as we give ourselves to God. We change our habits, our old ways, and our old way of thinking. He says, it's being renewed. In the verse that I have in here, it says, you have put off the old self with its habits and have put on the new self, which God is continually renewing in His own image to bring you to a full knowledge of Himself. In other words, the Lord Jesus Christ is